Hi, I'm Bethany Scroggs. I'm the Assistant Director of Special Education here in Morton, and I am blessed to support the RISE program. Our RISE program serves students in kindergarten through 12th grade, and then we also have Life Academy for students 18 to 22 years old. Each of the levels of our RISE program has incorporated a class business this year, which is great to see because it's an area where we can work on things from many different disciplines. And in some of our businesses, we see our related service providers coming in and supporting as well. So at Lincoln, we have the Pride Pals, and they are selling holiday-themed bags. And the students will determine what goes in the bags, and then there's an assembly line process to assemble all of the bags. And then they're able to take their bags from classroom to classroom and have those beautiful interactions with all kinds of kids in the school. It has been a tremendous hit, and they use their profits then to take a field trip with a friend of their choice. At the junior high level, we have the Classy Company, and the Classy Company has had a few different business ventures. Last year, they did some crafts, and I know this year they're incorporating a Popcorn Friday. They get to make a lot of popcorn and deliver to classrooms and take their orders. They have lots of different flavors that they can do. They use a lot of their profits at the gas station, and kids get to pick out something that they would like to purchase. At the high school, we have the Rising Company, and they do a lot of cookies in a jar for the holidays. The kids take part in measuring and deciding what type of cookies they want to sell and then preparing all of the orders. They're very easy to make, and the kids have loved assembling them. A great part of any business is the delivery of goods. Getting to see our students in the Rising Company come to the district office to deliver their cookies and brownies in a jar or to the different classrooms in the high school, it just brings so much joy to everyone when they get to close that loop on their business. Our shredding business in Life Academy is one that requires a lot of teamwork. Our students come around to the different buildings and pick up any recycling or shredding that needs done. So it requires a couple people to pick it up and one person holds the door. It just requires a lot of teamwork to complete those tasks and to make sure everyone gets to participate. So when we think about providing a business for students in the classroom, there's so many skills that students can benefit from: social skills, communication skills, financial literacy, customer service skills that will all translate to pre-vocational job skills or tasks that they can apply someday. In all of our businesses, teamwork, collaboration, and problem solving are woven throughout the whole experience, anywhere from deciding what their business will be named to determining what services they offer, and then to providing that customer service. They are working constantly and problem solving together through any type of situation they encounter. For all of our businesses, a crucial element is the customer. So if you've ever been a customer, if you sent money for a bag for your child, or if you purchased popcorn as a teacher, or the jars, or any of the shredding, I just want to say thank you for supporting our students, for supporting our teachers. They are some of the most creative, hardworking people. They're doing amazing things for kids, and thank you for supporting us.
We decorated the bags with some scary stickers.
Remember what went in the bags?
A drink, sticker, glow sticks, and best of all, drum roll please, fidgets! And we use an assembly line. We go in a line to get the objects like a loop. A loop is something that repeats and it goes over and over again.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Of course! It was fun selling the boo bags and counting the money. And thank you so much for letting me be the interviewer, and maybe you should invite 25 news. Thank you.